Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to answer the question, how long should your YouTube video be if you want to generate leads for your business? Now, this is a tricky topic and I want you to think about this from a couple of different angles. The first exercise I want to give you is to create a video that is as short as possible. Try to really cut out the fat, just have the meat, and you want to be able to convey a point, teach someone an information with the fewest possible words. This will train you to get rid of any filler words, any nonsense. And if you're able to express an idea in absolute clarity like this, people will engage with it more. They will pay more attention, and the watch time, the percentage someone is watching of your video will be higher. Now, once you have mastered this skill to express something in the fewest possible words, you will notice you can create any video in a length of like 3 to 7 minutes. Now, this is a really good time frame for most people to get started. 3 to 7 minutes. This allows you to convey a simple idea. It also forces you to limit yourself to maybe like 1 or mostly 2 topics, and this is really good to practice videos in the beginning. As you get more advanced, you can make your videos a little bit longer, and here's a couple of reasons why you want to make them longer. If you are aiming to monetize your YouTube channel, you can add mid-roll ads if your video is longer than 10 minutes. That's an additional revenue source for your YouTube channel. And what you want to do is you follow the same example as before. You use the fewest words possible. You just go into more depth. You're still maintaining the benefits of both systems. One, you're keeping it really narrowed down on value. There's no chit-chatting, long talking in between. It's just value for your audience. And then you can go more in depth. So you're not losing anyone. The watch time percentage of your videos stays high, and you have the ability to add mid-roll ads. And if you are aiming to get monetized, you get to your required 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days faster. Now let me know in the comments below what you think about the ideal video length. Are you trying to generate leads for your business? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about YouTube marketing that really works, check out my blog timqueen.com/YouTube and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.